Hey everybody, look at that. Back-to-back days with videos. Thank you for tuning in wherever you're at. If you're a member of my team, member of the team that I'm a part of, or just anybody on YouTube. Name is Jeff Kasmer. I have been a trader for almost 6 years now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, look in the bio. If you want to subscribe, that's probably on that side. If you need to reach me so you can take advantage of a free trial to check us out, reach me on Facebook. The link is in the bio, but just search my name. Pretty simple, okay? So today's topic is stop loss, okay? If you tuned in yesterday, I was talking about stop loss and how to kind of trail it a little bit. So I wanted to kind of give you another real life example, okay? So this is a person on my trading team. And the unique thing about our trading team is, and this is why we're the best, okay? Let me blow our horn. We're the best. We don't have people go live. Take this trade, take this trade, take this trade. Okay, you can start right now. You know, in 5 days after you become a member, right? Because we want you to learn the skill, okay? So we have our members do a trading journal, okay? 25 trading journal block. Now he has submitted me a block, and a couple actually. And so I want to kind of show you. So this is a before picture of a trade, USD JPY. This is a harmonic scanner, by the way, which kind of reads patterns that we utilize for our strategy. And this is our proprietary indicator. Okay, this is our quick turn, and this is our basic ATH indicator. And again, if you need more information, just reach me in the bio. So this is a 15-minute chart. And he is trading smart money. So even though he has the indicators on here, right, we're trading smart money concepts, okay? So, and I am reviewing his trades. Now he has marked here a market execution right here. So you can see this blue screen is obviously he's looking for a sell. And I have a journal which, you know, he gives me every link, every trading view link, as well as buy, sell, and the result of the trade, all right? And obviously the stop loss, right? The gray area. So anyway, this is in consolidation, and I'm not going to go through the steps to identify what a trade is, but he went through the steps and confirmed that this is a trade to take, okay? Now, the second page is what I'm going to show you is where the lesson for today is, okay? So, he gives me a screenshot, again, where he took the market execution, right? And again, side note, this is our indicator, which is indicating down, 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 okay? But it's a confirmation, right? It's just not an indicator to buy or sell. It's a confirmation that it is right for a sell, okay? So anyway, so this is the trade later on. Now, as you can see, this is a bunch of consolidation. Remember, this is a 15-minute chart. Didn't go anywhere, all right? Went into profit here, as you can see. This is in profit. So in fact, it probably went into profit almost 2 hours, okay? Then came back to entry, then was in drawdown, and as you can see, on a side note, okay, our indicators are still indicating down, 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 okay? Then down here, 4 straight candles going down. So 15-minute candle, that's an hour, all right? Then this looks like a switch candle or a baker's candle, and the move up. So when he sends me the trade, this is a loss in his world, okay? So here's the lesson. No, it's not. No, it's a winning trade, all right? So I'm going to tell you why it's a winning trade, okay? Once you're in entry here, up, down, you're in a little profit here, right? You obviously wouldn't close the trade. You wouldn't, you know, it's just not enough movement either way. But once this move has happened, that's a winning trade. It's gone down for an entire hour. And it's gone down enough where a couple things should happen. One, you should be moving your stop loss at least to break even if you take partials, okay? Or into slight profit if you have your full position, unless it reverses. Now again, we teach trading plan. You have to have a trading plan is how you're going to execute trades, getting into the trade based on the strategy we teach, and getting out of the trade, all right? So there's an hour where this trade is going down, Now, what we call trailing stop loss is what should have occurred here. So that could have been at the beginning of this candle, whatever your trading plan is, all right? But in this situation, he didn't touch it. It reversed. It's a very strong reverse, okay? That's a strong 15-minute candle. And as you can see, it hit stop loss. So he marked that down as a sell, all right? And as I told him earlier today, anybody who watches Family Feud, nope, that's a winning trade. You've won that trade. Here's why. Now, I know that lots of places, people, gurus, all that, you put in a take profit, right? There is a take profit goal, right? Here is the take profit goal that he had. But the markets are going to do what they want to do, right? Okay? Once you're in profit, and this is enough to get break even, take partials. I'm going to do another video on taking partial profits because I get that question a lot. That trade is in blue. Now, in my Telegram chat, as my team knows, I have an old saying, when it's blue, it's on you. This trade was in a positive for an hour. You should have a trailing stop loss. Okay, your stop loss should have been a break even, taking partials, or into profit if you're keeping your entire position. And if it reverses, it stops you out, boom, you've made money. Because that's what it's about, right? It's about making money. So he was under the thinking, and I think that I actually had mentioned it to him before on another trade block I reviewed, right? So when it reversed, he didn't take any partials. He didn't move his stop loss. He just thought, okay, you keep the trade running until it gets to here. Nope. Nope. That's the goal. But let's be honest. You know what the goal is? Make money. Okay? Winning trade. You had a winning trade. Trailing stop loss. Okay? So, there's a couple things to do for a trailing stop loss. I'm sure there's other stuff. If you're a member of the team, we have an exit manager software that will manage the trade for you. You set up the parameters, trailing stop loss. There's also something that I'm going to explore that I know a lot of members have used, but I have not begun using, and I will, called Trade Assistant. Okay? The lesson here in this video, and I'm almost done, is when it's blue, it's on you. You need to have a trailing stop loss. That does not mean that you have to check your phone or your laptop PC every 5 minutes. Nope. Put the exit manager on. Trade Assistant probably does the same thing. And let it run. It runs for you. That part of automation is good for you. So if you're asleep and you have a stop loss that's trailing as it moves into profit farther, perfect. If it reverses and stops you out, money. That's it. Okay? So, if you're learning how to trade, if you're struggling in trading, even if you're a profitable trader, want to be more profitable, trailing stop loss. When it's blue, it's on you. Okay? Any questions? You can reach me. Facebook. Again, subscribe, comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, you didn't like it, whatever the case may be. If you're interested in potentially joining us, Facebook link in the bio. Just search my name. You can find me. Send me a friend request. I'll plug you into a free trial. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.